The internet you grew up with is quietly disappearing, and AI is the reason why. Instead of clicking links, people are now asking AI for answers. That means fewer searches, fewer visits, and fewer ads, the core business model that's powered the web for decades. Behind the scenes, publishers are being forced into a new reality, negotiate licensing deals with AI companies, or risk their content being absorbed without attribution or traffic. Search engines are becoming answer engines. Platforms are becoming gatekeepers. And the open internet is slowly being replaced by closed, AI-controlled ecosystems. This isn't just a tech shift, it's a power shift. Whoever controls AI interfaces may control how information is created, discovered, and monetized. The question is no longer if the internet changes, but who owns what comes next.